Close-up knife reviews, doing a close-up review of the XHM Awesome EDC fixed blade full tang 7CR13 MOV steel G10 handles, blue and red G10 liners, and this is a very interesting little knife. So this is XHM Awesome. Very thick tang for a little knife like this. So, and then you've got blue, red, and black scales pinned on. This is a little scalpel, but it's very, very thick, and it goes down to a very pointy edge. Very interesting blade shape. Interesting handle. Kind of a small little hole there for a lanyard. Fit and finish overall on this knife is, I think, very good. The jimping is not sharp at all. The grind on both sides is pretty even. A little bit more on this side than this side, but it is pretty even. And I don't know much about that steel, that 7CR13 MOV. I don't know how that performs or anything like that. And I just got this. I haven't cleaned it all the way yet. I'm sure these scales will look better once you handle them a little bit. But the grip of the knife is very nice. I like it. It fits in your hand. It's a 4-finger knife, and just on the handle. And then if you wanted to put another finger up here and use the jimping, you definitely got some extra purchase here. I like the blue and red G10. I wish the handle wasn't pinned on and it was, like, you know, removable, but very nice knife. I'm just looking on my phone real quick here because I'm trying to tell you the price. So there is a classic version and this one here. This one is $30.99 on Amazon. It comes with a nice, very nice in my opinion, sheath. Fits right in there, and this whole package is very small. It fits in the palm of your hand. Wish I had something else to show you how small this is, but it is very small. You could fit that whole thing in a pocket very, very easily. And obviously you could put it in the sheath either way. And it fits on a belt, or just stick it in your pocket. Not a scratch or any damage on the sheath. Real nice. I couldn't tell you if that's real leather or not. I'm not going to smell it for you right now. We're just going to take a real close look at this knife now. So I think this is a flat grind, not a full flat grind, because it obviously comes down right here. This area right here is not sharp. Could have been rounded over a little bit better, but it's not sharp. And the grinds on both sides match up right exactly where they need to be. I did notice this one thing about the knife is this grind right here is a little bit sideways. You can see that. No big deal. you can't feel that with your finger. It feels nice. Overall, this knife feels just really nice in your hand. Very good EDC knife, I would say. And some of what you're seeing on this blade is just literally oils on the handle metal. I'm sure this knife would wear in and break in really, really nice. Like I said, I just got this, haven't cleaned it very well. Love the colors, absolutely love the colors. Well guys, that's the XHM Awesome. If you're new to the channel, we're going to post content like this very frequently. Please subscribe so you're notified of any new future video releases. We love to see comments. I try to comment and reply back to as many people as I can. I appreciate everybody's comments, everybody's feedback. I appreciate everybody's subscriptions. And I just really want to grow this channel. I'm going to do a lot more awesome reviews. We got some awesome knives coming up. If you're interested in awesome fixed blade knives, please subscribe because we got some really interesting knives coming up here. And we're going to be releasing those videos either today or tomorrow. So if you like awesome EDC fixed blades and that's what you like, subscribe because this is a channel for you. We really don't do much yet with folding knives. We're more into the fixed blades, but if that's your thing and you like EDC knives, big knives, we've got big knives, small knives, feel free to subscribe because I like fixed blade knives, and that's primarily what this channel is going to be about. So this is another new brand for me, XHM Awesome. I'm impressed with their little knife here. So I think it's a good knife for the money. For 30 bucks, not a bad knife. You get a sheath with it included. I think that's great. I'd like to see a Kydex option, you know, offered for this knife, but I'm not a big leather guy. I don't know. It's just kind of big. Takes up a lot of extra space. I think a nice minimal Kydex sheath for this would be awesome. But I like the red and the blue liners here. That's kind of what drew me to the knife, and the shape. It's a very interesting little shape. Guys, I hope that helped you out. And let's get you a measurement here. You got about a 3 3 1/8 blade length, approximately, and you got about a 3 5/8 handle. And like I showed you, the handle's comfortable. Show it in my hand one more time. So that's with the finger well, and that's without the finger well. Even without the finger well, you're still getting 4 fingers on that knife. So awesome handle. Guys, if this video helped you out, please give me some love. Thank you so much.